What is it?
I feel so bad. You just wanted to talk to me, and I unalived you.
Hey, I don't think it's dead, bro.
It is. The cicada's gone somewhere greater.
But it's moving.
Oh, no, it's not dead. It's unalived. Oh, it almost.
Let me check his vitals. You all right, little bud?
Your brother tried to kill me.
Don't lie on me. Tell him that wasn't on purpose.
Yeah.
My head hurt and I can't even fly right now.
What you need? Like some Advil or some Tylenol or something?
It need more than that. Look at it. Look at it. Let me smell it.
What you smell?
Oh, man.
Oh, man, what?
You about to die.
No, I'm a certified boxer. I can't have bug kill on my record.
don't
Get
go
up,
towards the light.
KK.
It's going towards the light.
You don't know that.
Okay.
You don't know that. Come back to me, some KK.
Bro, I don't know. It's looking like me right now. Look. It's looking like this. Yeah.
Oh, it's woke. It's woke.
I'm alive.
See, it's still alive. What you trying to do?
I'm gonna try to go eat some grass. Baby, that'll help me get better. Just know I don't blame you for what happened.
Oh, why does feel like one of them movies on the Lifetime channel? Nah, I really feel bad.
I'm dead, too.
I don't know if I have enough cicada strength to make it to the grass.
Stop talking all that nonsense. You gonna make it,
I'm gonna try. If I can't make it, can you carry me in your mouth?
Ow! You might as well go on, roll over on your back and get it over with.